today on our menu, we're going to be having special Pancit Canton. Here on our table, we have our ingredients. Here we have some sliced carrots. Here we have red and green capsicum. We have some cabbage. We have some beans. We have some fresh coriander. And here we have our chicken and our pork with some meatballs. Here's our noodles. And also we're going to be using some onion and garlic. And by the way guys, we're going to be also adding some chicharon and boiled egg. So guys, those are our ingredients that we're going to be using for today. And stay tuned for how we cook the Pancit Canton. Okay, so guys, we already put 2 tablespoons of oil in the pan. Now we're going to be putting all of the ingredients in. First, we're going to be putting the garlic. Now we're going to be putting the onion. And now we're going to be putting chicken. So we're going to be mixing it. And guys, you have to be slow in mixing the ingredients all together so that none of them will like fall off. Okay, so guys, now that we're done mixing it, we're gonna let it simmer for 3 minutes. Okay, so we're gonna put it slowly so we won't get finished. Okay, so guys, now let's check the meat. Put this on the same. It looks good. Now we have to put some seasoning. Here we're gonna be putting some black pepper. Soy sauce. Now we're going to be mixing it. Okay, so guys, now that we put the water, we have to wait it to boil. So now that it's been boiled, we're gonna grab the noodles. And we're gonna grab make sure to put it all there. Yeah. We're gonna be adding all of the vegetables. We're gonna put the carrots and we're gonna be putting the beans. And we're putting the green capsicum. Then we're putting cabbages. Like when we're done cooking. So now we're gonna be trying it, and then yeah, we'll tell you how it tastes. Okay. It tastes good, guys. Okay. But guys, also remember when you're making this, you can do it. Just remember that anyone can cook. Like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more cooking videos.